Hi, I'm a travel enthusiast with a job who travels the world, capturing new experiences along the way. Please join me on my adventure around the globe as I make it my goal to bring the world to you. I am Alex Wong, and welcome to my channel. Hi, what's up guys? I am in Klang, Bukit Tinggi at Hoo Bee restaurant, where we are going to find some delicious glutinous rice balls. And this is the women in charge making delicious glutinous rice balls. Hello. And she is making the glutinous rice balls with peanuts. And then you steam it. And this is where they finish the dish. And this is it. So come here and try it. I'm about to. It's gonna be really, really good. Alright guys, when you come to Malaysia, must have satay. Dip in this delicious sauce. And alright guys, the time has come. Usually when you come over here, you're gonna wait a really, really long time. And we are finally going to try the delicious glutinous rice ball. Alright guys, we're in Bukit Tinggi, in Klang, in Malaysia, and we're at Hoo Bee's restaurant, where basically at this restaurant there's a lot of stalls, and one of the stalls is glutinous sticky rice balls. This is what it looks like. It's a big one. Well, it has one big one and then a couple small ones. So I'm gonna bite into the big one. Alright? And as you can tell, this is the big one. It's really, really good. This is what it looks like inside. Bam! Look at that. It's nice, soft, fluffy, really, really good. And because it's so good, you're gonna be waiting a really, really long time for one big glutinous rice ball. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.